So this is my $75 eBay Aeroware Front Lip. It comes with the holes pre-drilled and hardware, but the hardware doesn't fit the pre-drilled holes or this metal piece, so I'm just gonna reuse the old one. I took these clips off of the stock front lip. This is the stock front lip. I'll show you side by side in a second. So I'm gonna reuse those clips. There's already, for the middle ones, spots on the bumper to install. And yeah, I'm just gonna reuse the old hardware, see how this fits up. So here's the lip installed, and there are gaps, which eBay lip, but it's cheap. That's all that matters. From a distance, it looks awesome. Okay, so front lip's on, ready to install. How the front lip looks installed on the car. And the gaps are a little inconsistent. Overall, $75 is good.